Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Bezzera Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up and that's all we did. So we just replaced the gasket, the one that you see right here. Definitely need to be replaced. It's no longer flexible. As you can see, it just breaks whenever you just flex it. And we also replaced the shower screen. Deep clean everything in there, descale the machine, and yeah, just give it a good clean. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee. Not exactly drip coffee, but it's pouring definitely very fast and probably need to tamper further. I think I need to change that coffee. Even I already adjusted the grind and it's still doing the same. This is the third video that it happened, so yes, barely any crema, but give me 1 second. Let me use two hands to remove the portafilter, and yeah, it's definitely not. The coffee is not fresh. Shampoo clean, as you can see, working perfectly fine, having an excellent water flow, and steamer working really great, really good temperature. And hot water working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Bezzera working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to do this every day, and thanks for watching.